We're gonna do a 360 of the garden, y'all. We zoom that out. A little 360. And for once, we're gonna start over here. So I'm gonna have to water after this, but here goes the spearmint. Our little seedlings right there. Our peppers, which we just had our first hot day, so they should be too happy. We got them full peppers right there. Our yellow Swiss chard, carrots, our bok choy over there. We got some watermelon cantaloupe. Okay, we got our cabbage, purple kale, geraniums, which are looking too good. We had a few more blooms, y'all. So pretty. Ooh, but it looks like some of them wilting, so I'm gonna have to give it some water. Ooh, our wormwood is really filling out back there. It's about to get their haircut. I think those little dots that I was talking about, they just bloom into the actual leaves. So that's pretty. Okay. Ooh, it's a lot of bugs over here, y'all. Okay, here go our strawberries, which I'm gonna get them a thorough watering because I don't know why they looking like that. Let me come over here. Kale, sweet potato, cabbages, our lettuce, the strawberries, and lettuce and the arugulas, lilies, adult entertainment, our tomato and purple basil, holy basil, 2 purple basil, and then we got all of these tomato plants. Some more sweet potatoes. Here go our lemon tree, which I'm trying to see if it got something going on, and it don't. Yep. Okay, here go the squash. Outside the squash is looking pretty good. Like it got a little bird poop on it, but that's the most. Yes, they got some nice thick stalks. Okay. They go by tomato plant. Ooh, this one came alive. Wasn't this the little 8-up one? That was the halfway down one.
Yeah, it's growing.
Yes. It looks so good. There's a lot of potatoes coming up, bro. That is a lot of potatoes. Ooh, that's a lot of potatoes. We got the chocolate mint. Here is this banana. I'm about to get this a good watering. And I forgot my mama did fertilize and she put some Miracle-Gro in them. Okay, so here is our Asian peppers. Another adult entertainment. Hey! Hello! Hello! Hello, Papa Pop. Okay. Yeah, we looking good. The geraniums definitely welcome. Beautiful. And her sweet potatoes, baby, she gonna have to figure it out. Okay, today is the day I am clipping this up. Ooh, God. It's gonna hurt my feelings. Here's the red cabbages, which also hurt my feelings.
I got bad news for you too.
What?
One of your sunflowers gone.
He hit it, didn't he? That one over there, wasn't it? We got 3 nice cayennes. That's why I planted a lot more sunflowers, direct sows into the earth. I'm done playing with y'all. And he got a little grass in there too. Great. Okay. So yeah, we about to get loaded up with cayenne peppers. Anyway, here we go. tomato plant that may or may not make it. I have no idea. We got some things growing, and I don't know if they what we want, but we leaving them. Yeah. I don't know. We're gonna have to do something with that. Here go the broccolis, marigold, and we got this thing look like it ain't grown in a minute. It's getting next though. It's crazy. Here go our tomato plant, and it's still trying to give out its little flowers that I owe y'all a flower. I'm trying to give it to y'all. There go the baby. There they go. First yellow tomatoes, they on the way. Let's look at the Cherokee purple real quick, because it's fat. You can see that mug. I don't care where you looking at. You can see that fat old potato. No. No. Okay. Here go the herb garden, y'all. The mint is obviously like, it's all up in here, baby. Some of the leaves could be greener, but baby, they doing a little rooting system thing, and baby, it's taking over. The lavenders are just looking so pretty, y'all. Like, it's almost picturesque right here. Like, wow. And these are actually coming in good. They are enjoying that heat, honey. They are turning real green, because this time it has a more stiff, feels like more bushy, versus the German, which is a lot more soft. Here is our bushy rosemary plant. My mama likes me to spray. Period. Let's see if we got a baby fruit up here. Nope, but we got hella Cherokee purple. And look at mama choking. My chamomile. My chamomile. Look at it, nice and bushy. Yeah, and it shot up. So we're gonna have flowers. That's gonna turn into flowers and just look beautiful. And you can go make tea with that flower head. The basils that caught themselves trying to go to seed. There go our fresh sage that is multiplying. And there go her oregano. There go our oregano. I don't know what to make of this. At this point, this is kind of taking over. We just gonna probably plant some seeds. Here is our cucumbers coming in, baby. Don't play with them cucumbers, because baby, you can see it poking his head right there. This one finna say hello, and that other one next to it saying hello too. The potatoes that mama directed idiots to go to. She fired. Is this a stick? That bachelor buttons got big, honey. They about to reach the toe. They like, hello, we here. These is definitely some flowers. So those are gonna be some pretty, yeah, I think all three of these, y'all. The zinnias, and I don't know what that is, but we still gonna let whatever in here grow. Okay, over here to the celery patch. That don't look like celery right there, but we gonna leave her alone. I'm talking about her right here. She don't look like no celery. Celery definitely got a look, and that don't look like celery. But I'm gonna leave her alone. Here go the grill. You know what I'm saying? Centrella. I always gotta come fill up your Centrella. Can't have nothing. I guess somebody didn't want the thing and gave it to the earth. So we just gonna put some dirt on top of that, apparently. Or maybe some straw. Lord have mercy. It's turning into a green forest up in here. Oh well. Here go our dahlias, which are doing good. They happy. That's all that a parent can ask for. I don't know. These might need some Miracle-Gro, because why they look like that?
What?
One all green
That's
and
over.
nice looking, and the mother two looking like the shoot. That one fell down. It's like I'm tired. That one fell down like I'm
Well, I
tired.
think you answered your own damn question.
First of all, let's appreciate the Cherokee purple and how it looks like we have another one coming. Yeah, it's growing like right on a branch too in a really weird way. But anyway, that's nature for you, baby. And them potatoes get big, tomatoes get big. I told them about, oh, I wasn't done with the video. Ooh. Here go our strawberries. RIP to our. And it might regrow too. Yeah, the whole stem is still there. Yeah. Centrella. Here, RP to our sunflower, but it might come back. Because he flicked it before and it grew back from the injury spot. You can tell where it was like hit real bad.
He ain't go over there. He said, I ain't even gonna go over there. I said, okay, I'm gonna use the scissors with it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get me a weed whacker. I love the weed whacker.
It's nice and hot out here. Here go our pink punch, baby. We had a bunch of blooms. It's like these two over here just said hello. They look so cute. I love this plant. The blooms come in between, like from the stem. So it's just like leaves and stems. Real cute. Beautiful lavender. The dragon breath out here like, what's up? What happening? The lantanas look happy as ever. They look like they're getting higher. Actually, and blooming more. Okay. And so do the, I forgot that, I just remembered the name. But they pretty as hell. And they get tall too. So it's gonna be something. At least he cleaned up over there. Now when we put up pots over there, looking sharp. Look at my boy. What's up, my boy?
I move that shit. I move all that so Duke could cut. He cut around the pots and I moved it so Duke could use the lawnmower.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I'm glad.
I surely moved that one there because he looked like he was gonna leave all that behind there. I kindly moved it.
Say that's why they containers, boo.
Yeah.
Problem, cause.
Nope.
All right, and then that's it for the garden. One more 360.
I got up off my ass.
Again,